As we age, we don't have to put up with the worsening of our vision. While it is normal to experience some age-related changes to our eyesight, like perhaps needing reading glasses, there are some key antioxidants we can take to protect our eyesight. And that's where Igenics comes in. Igenics is a formula packed full of antioxidants like zeaxanthin, lutein, bilberry, and saffron that have an affinity for our eyes and can quench oxidative stress. UV light and macular degeneration are two of the most common reasons for seeing a change in our eyesight, and antioxidants may be able to help prevent that. Plus, this product is packed full of essential vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E that are important for protecting our vision. I'm a naturopathic doctor that works with men and women who are getting older and want to protect their vision. Igenics is one of my go-to supplements to recommend, not only for the killer formula, but also for the fact that the potency of the product is one of the highest I've seen on the market. All the ingredients are put in at a therapeutic dose, meaning there's enough of each of them to actually see a positive change in your eyesight. Igenics is certainly one that I don't hesitate to recommend to friends, family, or patients.
One of the general shortcomings of aging is lack of sight. More and more people in the modern world are losing sight or experiencing fewer visions in the past. This may be due to poor nutrition, high pollution, or genetic problems. In any case, those who have poor vision really want to change the problem. Fortunately, learning has many ways to improve our vision. Many people in this area will do everything to clean up their world again. Glasses and laser treatments are the two most common tools that can be used to combat blurry vision, but they also have limitations. In fact, we can show you another option. This is an attempt to solve the problem from the source. This includes the natural strengthening of the eyes through a dietary supplement, such as Igenics. What is Igenics? Igenics is the best supplement for improving eyesight, which encourages people who need help with sight. This product combats irritation, oxidation pressure, and DNA damage. Works for all ages, regardless of whether you are 21 or 81 years old. In addition, it is the difference between the state of the eyes. You do not have to make expensive visits to an ophthalmologist and set up points of attention. Our eyes become fragile, and the eyesight merges after a while, but we must restore and renew the long-lasting vision. It contains essential supplements that help restore the well-being of our eyes. Our eyes need minerals like our bodies. Each institution has its own specific needs, and this improvement gives our eyes the best resource. How does Igenics works? This product protects against the progress of AMD. Provides 24-hour eye protection. Accelerates cell regeneration and eye health. This supplement reproduces your vision without damaging DNA. You do not need to have a limited vision. This product is suitable for all types of vision disorders, including glaucoma, cataracts, and AMD. It is recommended to take 2 capsules a day and to use this supplement for at least 30 days. Thanks to this accessory, you will be healthy and you will work optimally. You will get excellent 20/20 visibility. In the end, you have a healthier eye with a clearer view. His product completely eliminates your chronic inflammatory and oxidative problems. It permanently solves your vision problems. Ingredients: Ginkgo biloba. This is a plant that's from a very ancient species. It's equipped with a certain molecule that can be a cerebrovascular dilator. This means that it can deal with high eye pressure, problems with blood flow, and even the genetic reasons for losing eyesight. It's a flavonoid that works rapidly in order to bring us the results as fast as possible. Lutein. This is a naturally occurring carotenoid that's known for its benefits to the eyes. Zeaxanthin. This is one of the 2 main carotenoids that are found in the retina of our eyes. It's also a common substance that naturally occurs in foods like paprika, saffron, etc. Pros. It is tested by an external laboratory. It contains all the ingredients tested clinically. This supplement contains 60 capsules that are easy to swallow. This product is produced in accordance with FDA certificates and GMP certificates. You do not need contact lenses, no glasses, and no eye surgery. This product does not contain aromas, synthetic aromas, preservatives, and additives. Shipping is free for US residents. This supplement is cheap compared to other products. Operations. Cons. We only have the option to purchase this supplement on the official website. This product is not recommended for pregnant women. Always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Conclusion. Ingredients and research of the additive seem promising. The components of Igenics can be easily viewed online and validated. Therefore, it is not unreasonable to expect that our system does not exist. Thanks to our natural help, we can rejuvenate and strengthen our eyes. Although the review of this product is excellent, the supplement may not be suitable for some rare people. The money-back guarantees also guarantee that we do not bear any financial risk in such cases. This is a great offer, so we have to go to the official site of Igenics and place an order right away.